Dear children, welcome to the last session on the chapter Biomolecules. In this molecules, we are going to learn first about the types of enzymes. There are 6 types of enzymes. They are called as oxidoreductases or they are called as dehydrogenases. The second class of enzymes are transferases. The third are the hydrolases. Fourth are the lyases. Fifth are the isomerases. And sixth are the ligases. So what are oxidoreductases or dehydrogenases? They catalyze the oxidation reduction between two substrates. Okay, so here we can see the two substrates S and S dash, one in the reduced state and other in the oxidized state. And when this two substrates, they are catalyzed by these dehydrogenases, they catalyze oxidation and reduction reactions. And here we can see S from the reduced state is converted to the oxidized state, and S dash from the oxidized state, it is converted to reduced state. So that's a function of the oxidoreductases, or it is called as dehydrogenases. Second is the transferases. As the name indicates, it is catalyzing the transfer of a group. Which group? Any group other than a hydrogen. Okay, any group other than a hydrogen. Okay, so here we can see S is bonded to G plus S dash. We can see the G is transferred to S dash and S is set free. So this is called as transferases. Hydrolases, they catalyze hydrolysis of the ester bonds, either peptide, glycosidic, the bonds between the carbon atoms. Okay, all these bonds get hydrolyzed in the presence of hydrolases. Lyases, they catalyze the removal of groups. Okay, they catalyze the removal of groups other than hydrolysis, leaving double bonds. We can see over here X and Y. X and Y, they are bonded to carbon atoms, and we can see X and Y are joined together by the removal of the carbon atoms by forming double bonds. Isomerases, they catalyze the interconversion of optical, geometric or positional isomers. Okay, for example, in the case of Krebs cycle, citric acid is converted to isocitrate. In the case of glycolysis, glucose 6-phosphate is isomerized to fructose 6-phosphate. All these are catalyzed by isomerases. And the last type is the ligases. What does ligases do? It catalyzes the linking of two compounds together. Okay, two compounds, they are joined together. Here we can see two substrates, X and Y, and they are joined together, okay, such by forming bonds between them. And this is the function of ligases. Okay, so they are called as molecular glues, gums which join together different molecules. So these are the different types. They are dehydrogenases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, ligases and isomerases.